Use makeup remover to cleanse the face of dirt, oil, and makeup. Cleanse the face using a facial cleanser, and then evenly apply toner. IRF reduces fine lines. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. Energy level, 30%. Mode, NOR. Red light, on. Gently apply eye essence oil around the eyes. Move the handle in circles under the eyes. Lift from under the eye to the temple with the handle. Lift the eyebrow with the handle. Lift from the eyebrow towards the forehead with the handle. Repeat on the other side. Hot and cold handle enhances circulation and boosts skin absorption. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. Energy level, 30%. Mode, hot. Apply some facial serum to the treatment area and spread it evenly. Move the handle in circular motions across 3 facial areas, glide upward along the chin, sweep from the center of the face to the side of the cheek, and lift upward toward the hairline on the forehead. Face RF lifts, tightens, and enhances skin elasticity. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. Energy level, 30%. Mode, NOR. Red light, on. Apply facial serum to the face and evenly spread it across the entire face. Glide the handle across 3 facial areas, move upward along the chin, sweep from the center of the face to the side of the cheek, and lift upward toward the hairline on the forehead. Cleanse the face with a washcloth. Lipo laser, contour and sculpt the face. Settings. Duration, 20 minutes. Mode, M1. Energy level, 3. Secure the head with a strap and place the small laser pads on the chin area. Activate the treatment and wait for 20 minutes. Take out the laser pads and remove the strap. Apply a mask to the face. BIO stimulates cell regeneration. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. Energy level, 30%. BIO mode, continuous working mode. Light selection, red light. Use a stamping technique to treat the entire face. Remove the mask and cleanse the face. Apply toner, essence, eye cream, and facial cream.